to Wacky Wednesday. This week we are going to try something that my very best friend Diana Kuras and I tried years ago when we did a fundraising night for sandcastles, but we're gonna try it here at home and see if we can get it to work better than Miss Kuras and I got it to work. So today we are trying elephant toothpaste.
What?
Yep, you heard me, elephant toothpaste.
Is it like toothpaste to put on elephants?
Well, no, you can't actually use it. It's not edible. We're using some chemicals today, but it looks like toothpaste that elephants maybe would use.
And what?
I know. You ready?
Yep.
Let's get started. All right, we have some hydrogen peroxide that is very strong, kind of like when we make Kool-Aid. I know you guys like it with lots of sugar, so it's really strong and sweet. This is hydrogen peroxide that's really strong.
Wait, is it like used for slime?
Nope, this is actually used to color hair. So I got this from my friend, Miss Michelle. Thank you, Miss Michelle. And I had to promise her I wouldn't use it on my hair. And so we're gonna use it. It's called Developer, and it's a 6% hydrogen peroxide. So this works. This is the best to use. The hydrogen peroxide that you can get at the store in the little brown bottles isn't strong enough. So we've got hair developer, we've got dish soap, and I've already poured half a cup of hair developer in each of these bottles here. I've just got some plain plastic bottles. And let's see what else we have. We have yeast that you can find in the baking aisle, and we have food coloring and warm water. So here we go. It says half a cup in each bottle. We did that. Add 8 colors of your favorite food coloring.
I want to add mine.
Okay,
Wait,
what color?
Do you get one and I get one?
Yeah, let's do it. What color would you like? I've got the neon colors today.
Yes. Blue, of course.
All right, you put in 8 drops, and we've got our sunglasses on that are substituting as
Mom?
safety glove. You gotta take the lid off again, remember?
Oh.
Goofy kid. I think I'm gonna do this weird green. So 8 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay.
8.
Now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of this dish soap.
Oh, I think I remember this.
Whoops.
Thank you, Dawn Soap Company.
We are not sponsored by any of the makers of these products. They are just what we have on hand. All right, so here's
not
in
really,
mine.
This is
We'll
not.
just put it down, it's fine. Just don't squeeze it. So this experiment, if you were to try it at home, you definitely have to have an adult helping you, because we're using chemicals with this, and this could irritate your skin. This is actually a chemical, even though we probably all have dish soap in our kitchens. So next it says, swish the bottle around and mix it. So very carefully.
Whoa!
Okay, put it down, 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 down. You don't want to put it up, because if it splashed into your eyes, that would not be good.
Because we got safety guns.
I know.
Whoa, look at yours. Look at mine. Mine looks so
Ooh, this is cool. All right, put it back down, please. Get it so you can not see the white in the bottoms here. Can you see on the, I got dish soap everywhere. All right, let me see. There we go.
This does kind of look like elephant toothpaste.
Well, it's gonna be even better in just a minute. Let's get these food colorings out of here. And we are outside today because we are going to witness a chemical reaction, and I don't want my house destroyed. So this is something you wanna do outside. Next step says, in a separate cup, combine the water and the yeast together. So we need, where's my other tablespoon? Double check here. I think it's 3 tablespoons of water. Yep, 3 tablespoons of warm water. Oh, there I go spilling it again. So I'll do mine, then you can do yours into your little cup. 1, 2, 3. Here you go.
Those threes.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Uno. Dos.
Oh, make sure you fill it up.
Tres.
Add a little more. Yep, there you go. You need to combine now 1 packet of yeast with our warm water.
What's yeast?
Yeast is used to make bread. So like pizza dough, if you make pizza dough from scratch or you make bread,
Oh, that sounds fun.
yeast is actually a living thing.
What?
I know, isn't that cool? I like the smell of it. Give it a smell.
No!
Okay, so we're gonna combine these two and mix it for 30 seconds. So grab a spoon, Bubba.
Yay!
And I'm gonna pour it in, mix it for 30 seconds.
1.
What we're gonna do is we are going to get all of our supplies out of the way, get it set up, and then we'll see the magic happen.
Wait, what?
Okay, we're ready to test. I've got Axel's bottle here. I had to run and get a funnel. So we are going to add the yeast mixture and see what happens. Are you ready, Axel?
Yes.
Is it gonna go?
Run!
There it goes, kind of.
Run.
Ready?
Ready?
Alright, so you're filming me?
Yeah.
Being double filmed.
Wait, I'm gonna put you in the ladle. Hurry! I wanna put you in the ladle, Mom. Can I?
Hey, here comes the green one.
Mama, it's going so fast!
Oh!
Can I put... Looks so cool! It's like slushy.
Well, that's it for today. It worked. It wasn't quite the really cool flying elephant toothpaste foam that sometimes you can see other YouTubers will put out there, but I was pretty happy with what we had happen. So we had a chemical reaction happen today. When the yeast water got in there, it helped make a chemical reaction happen with the hydrogen peroxide. It helped release oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. So that produced all these tiny little bubbles, and because we had that soap in there, it foams up and it looks really cool. The other thing that's happening is this reaction is what we call exothermic reaction. And if we had felt the bottle right away after it, we would notice that it was warm. In fact, it's still kind of warm. Too bad my kids abandoned me, they'd be able to feel that. And so it's releasing heat, and that's why we can feel it. It's kind of cool. This essentially is just, the foam is like soap and oxygen and a little bit of water. So I'm gonna rinse this down with a hose, and anything extra, I'll probably dump down the drain and rinse with water. Remember, these are chemicals. You don't want them in your eyes. You wanna have an adult with you, and always clean up your mess. You don't wanna leave it for the animals. They could get hurt. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one today. We had some fun. It's been great, and we'll see what comes up next week. Take care.